Hello dear viewers, today we'll gonna install Node.js in a shared hosting. In my case it's godaddy. So godaddy don't allow you to run code in sudo or in root user mode. So how could you install Node.js? Please see my video. First, what we do, get the shell access and then check for previous installs, that is which node, which npm on which npm, 3 comments. If we run these 3 comments, then it will return no node or no npm or no npm. If you find it's all is no, that is no node or npm is installed in your system, then we are very nice to go on. Then the next step, you just run this command to your bash. This command curl -o2. There is no space, actually it's a big line, that's why it's break down into 3 lines, but it's still a single one command. Maybe I can give you the command in the website, it's listed below. And then after install this, after run this command, the nvm will install in your system. Version 3.1, 0.3.1, and then make sure install is okay, then nvm version, you run it and it will show the version. That is, and this part nvm will be installed. And next and the final part is installing the node. So to installing the node is simple. You just enter this command, nvm install node. This command, it will install the node in your system and then set this as a default. For this you need to run this alias the node to nvm. However, to check your node installation, run these 2 commands separately, npm and node-v. Okay, that's it, and I hope you got it. Let's try this step number 4, as I have completed myself the step number 3. And if I run this nvm version in my node, let's see, check, and version, it will return the version of nvm. So now we run this command, nvm install node. I'm asking nvm to install the node. How it's work? Let's check. nvm, look, I'm in shell access with my hosting account. Okay, it's godaddy nvm install and still install node. nvm install node and hit enter. By hitting the enter, nmv, oh my spelling mistake, nvm and still node and hit enter. Okay, pray for me, finger crossing. Oh, it's like downloading something. The Node.js is downloading to the system, and of course it's without the sudo privilege or root privileged users. You can install Node.js in your system without the root access. Okay, it's installing. You can see. I'm just going to pause this video and come back when it's done. Yeah, it's just complete. It's downloading. This look like it's download Node version 8 for me. So we need to check if it's working or workable, or what the version of Node and npm. Let's check. Entity Node -v for version is 8 and npm -v is 5. Okay, this is how we install Node.js in your shared hosting with GoDaddy or whatsoever. Okay, thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like.